Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will teach you how you can create a video link for your files on Google Drive really quickly. So let us get started. So in the first step, head over to Google Drive and let me head over to my drive here on the left hand side to get a better overview of all files stored in my Google Drive. So in the first step, guys, I would recommend, it's not necessary or mandatory to do it, but optional, but I would recommend to filter out any video files first by clicking on type here and by selecting video. And after that, you will see all videos that have been stored in your Google Drive account. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me, for example, go with that video here with file size of that. So what you want to do is right click on it. After that, hover your mouse over share and select copy link here from that menu. And that is going to create a shareable link for the given file. You can also manage access by clicking on that button here. And here, guys, for instance, you may invite your friends or contacts to that file by entering their email address, or if you'd like to simply use that shareable link, all you will need to do, guys, is switch from the restricted access here by clicking on that arrow down icon and select anyone with the link and save that setup by clicking on done here. And that is going to allow you to share that file with your friends and contacts via a shareable link. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.